What's up, YouTube world? J300. I have another mod today, and these are the door lights. You know, it's supposed to go on, light up, and they blink for a while after you keep the door open. So I'm about to install these on my door, and let me know how you think. What you think? So right out of the package, this is what comes with it: the lights, the tool to pry the door open and your light off with, and let's see. Sorry, y'all, I'm using one hand. So here it goes. You get two of them. The strip on the back and the LED light on the front. And you hook the red and black wire, the positive and the negative wire, up to your light, so it comes on when the door opens up. Okay, and you get a prowl. And you get a prowl bar too. So here we go. See y'all, it strips. Go down all the way around. I had to put some Gorilla on this one because it wasn't sticky. You pull your light out, and then I'm gonna add them to these, the positive and the negative, and then that's all you gotta do. You tie these into that. You can splice, but I'm gonna try to put it on and click it and see what happens, and I'll see you the end result. See you guys, put it in. I'm about to show you the lights. So I couldn't do as simple as just plug it in. I had to splice the wires and do it, but I got it on, and I'll wait till tonight to show y'all the end result. So here you go. All right, good.
I know you're somewhere.